The chill of icy roads, a simple explanation. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases, specifically, icy roads. If you've ever wondered what that means, or how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's dissect the phrase, icy roads. Icy. This word refers to something covered with ice. Ice is the solid form of water, often seen during cold weather or in frozen places. Roads. These are large paths or surfaces where cars, buses, and other vehicles travel. Together, the phrase, icy roads, refers to roads that are covered with ice, making them slippery and potentially dangerous. When you hear someone talk about icy roads, it's usually a warning or a reason for caution. Here's why. Safety concerns. Icy roads can be very slippery. Vehicles can lose control, leading to accidents. Driving adjustments. If someone knows the roads are icy, they might drive slower, keep more distance between vehicles, or even decide not to drive at all. General awareness. It's a common phrase in weather reports during winter, so understanding it can help you be prepared and take necessary precautions. Let's look at some example sentences to understand how icy roads can be used in daily conversations. 1. Be careful while driving. There are icy roads ahead. 2. The school bus was delayed because of the icy roads. 3. I prefer staying home during winter because I fear icy roads. There you have it. Icy roads simply refers to roads covered in ice, a phrase often linked with caution and safety during colder months. We hope this explanation clears things up for you. Stay safe, keep learning, and see you in the next video.